Alright, so miraculously this morning I've been able to find a tyre. I didn't think I was going to be able to. I took my the bike to a car wash this morning and asked the guy there if he knew of anyone that would sell tyres for a bigger bike, and the face he pulled basically told me everything I needed to know. This is a cheap Chinese tyre. Unfortunately it didn't have the cheap Chinese tyre price tag to go with it. That's on the wrong way. Now all that's left to do is go across the town and see if I can find someone who can fit it for me. So I'm still left as few times as possible.
Hola, ¿estás? ¿Necesitas cambiarlo?
¿Tú?
Eh,
Okay, so I've been able to find a mechanic that will swap the tyre for me. He doesn't have the right tools himself, so he's taken the tyre to someone that does, and then hopefully I'll have a bit of a ride around this afternoon to see what the tyre's actually like, and then tomorrow I'll probably hit the road again. Who knows? Okay, so I got the tyre fixed yesterday, and today I'm heading south to go and see if I can find a ferry, and hopefully it's got some space for some motorbikes on there, because I've been told that a lot of the time if you try to get on with a car they are completely sold out this time of year. So fingers crossed I can get on, because otherwise I've got quite a long ride to get around the lake and then across the border from a town called Chile Chico, which is the last, I think the last border crossing in the area. So let's see what happens.
I see my redhead, mask bed, tear shed, queen bee squeeze. The stage smells, tells, hells, bells, misspells, knocks me on my knees. It didn't hurt, flirt, blood, squirt, stuff, shirt like me on a tree. After I count down 3 rounds in hell, I'll be in good company.
Okay, so I've made it to the ferry. There isn't anyone here, but there is a timetable up that says that the ferry leaves at 8 o'clock in the morning and in the evening. So I think the plan is now to ride back into town. I rode past somewhere that says world's best pizza in Patagonia, so I'm going to head back over there and come back tonight at 8 o'clock. I don't think I'm going to want to do the 8 o'clock crossing this evening, so I think I'll try and find a hotel here, and then I will come back at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning and hopefully get on the ferry then. Again, we'll just kind of see what happens. Okay, good morning. Last night at 8 o'clock I went down to the ferry and got a ticket for this morning, so now I'm heading back over again to get the 8 o'clock in the morning ferry. I'm way happier doing that because that means that as soon as I do cross over and get onto the Chile Chico side of the lake, I can then cross the border and make some progress for the day, instead of arriving late at night and then trying to find somewhere to stay at that point. Okay, welcome to Chile Chico. Great place name. I think I'm only a couple of minutes ride away from the border with Argentina, so I'm going to head over that way and cross and then make as much progress south as possible for the day, and that'll make me in a better place then to go and see hopefully a glacier in the next couple of days, and then continue to potentially get to Ushuaia for Christmas. Okay, the process of getting out of Chile is always pretty easy. There always seems to be a form to get back in to Chile, which can be a bit of a pain to fill out, but leaving is pretty easy. So I'm going to head down the road now, see if I can find the Argentina side of the border, and cross into Argentina to then continue on. Okay, I am back in Argentina. Entry into Argentina always seems to be easier than entry into Chile. I'm going to continue on, see if I can see some old hand paintings in a cave. But I have heard that the road to get down there is not the best.
Down love couldn't go no further. Proud of and disgusted by her. Push on a little bruised and battered. Oh Lord, I ain't coming home with you. My life's a bit more colder. Damn, wife is what I told her. Brass knife sinks to my shoulder. Oh babe, don't know what I'm gonna do. I see my redhead, masked bed, tear shed, queen bee must squeeze. The stage smells, tells, hells, bells, misspells, knocks me on my knees. It didn't hurt, flirt, blood, squirt, stuff, shirt like me on a tree. After I count down 3 rounds in hell, I'll be in good company. Down love couldn't go no further. Proud of and disgusted by her. Push on a little bruised and battered. Oh Lord, I ain't coming home with you. My life's a bit more colder. Dead wife is what I told her. Brass knife sinks to my shoulder. Oh babe, don't know what I'm gonna do. I see my redhead, masked bed, tear shed, queen bee must squeeze. The stage smells, tells, hells, bells, misspells, knocks me on my knees. It didn't hurt, flirt, blood, squirt, stuff, shit like me on a tree.
Okay, so I've been following this gravel road, maybe a bit less than 10 kilometers so far. I've got more than 20 kilometers of this to go, and today I was a bit unsure about whether I'm going to have enough fuel or not, so I was debating whether to go this way anyway. Started to come down here. The gravel, I don't know if you can tell from the camera, is pretty deep. It's not the best to ride on. And I've just noticed that I've got a load of oil coming out of my left front fork, so I could potentially have a fork seal that's gone in there. And if that continues to get worse, I don't really want to be 30 or so kilometers out down the middle of this track with no front suspension. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it fixed anywhere near where I am, so I think the best thing to do is to probably continue on to Ushuaia, where I'll be able to find a mechanic to have a look at it and potentially a new seal. Who knows? So I'm going to turn around, head back the way that I've come, and continue on to whatever the name of the town is that I want to be in, if I've got enough fuel anyway.
Really glad I've got that new tyre at this point.
Okay, I'm back to the main road, and I think I'm probably just going to end the video there. Hopefully nothing else interesting happens for the rest of the day. Plan is just to continue south, see where I get to, and then the next couple of days I can see if I can get to a glacier that I've been wanting to see.